Got Alexis Smith. She's on question number 3. Jalen's on question number 2. Let's see who's going to be done wrapping it up. Looking to see who's going to have question number 6 done in their notebook. Ms. Vazquez, I don't know who will get the king of like the game winner this time. If Drew is like, I'm trying to see who's gonna get like number 1.
No, I'm ready. This question is gonna be a good one. We'll see.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got 59 seconds left. Whatever you're doing, start finishing up. You should be clicking submit. Make sure that you are submitting your work. Dwayne, we are on our Google Classroom, on our Do Now. As of now, you have 43 seconds, so maybe we can get back to that later. We are going to start the Kahoot now, so you'll have an idea of how to answer your Do Now when you get there. All right, so if you are already done with your Do Now, please go on to kahoot.it. We're going to start soon. All right, you ready to compete? It's going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody, I need you to go on to Kahoot IT, and you're going to put in this game pin. We're going to put it in the chat for you guys. I want to see everybody getting ready to go, ready to compete. We'll see who's the first player to get signed in. Thank you, Neo. Thank you, Zorian. Thank you, Trinity, Jabril. Thank you for signing in. Thank you for going to kahoot.it and putting in the game pin. Thank you for finishing up your Do Nows. If you're not done with your Do Now, please make your way over. Finish up quickly and get your way over to kahoot.it. All right, I'm going to give you guys about 30 more seconds, and then we're going to move on. Nevaeh's ready to win. She got the dollar signs in there. Liam's ready to win. He got the dollar signs in there. Trinity's ready to go. You guys have about 10 more seconds, and we're going to move on. Don't miss your chance to compete. Make sure you get your name in there. Good. Ready? We're going to start the game. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, everybody, let's get to work. Do Now, September 21st. Steph Curry's basketball spinning trick is an example of revolution, rotation, goat skills, and cockiness. Remember, not what he's doing right there, but what, if you're spinning it on your finger, what is that? Right, oof. I think this means we have to go over it again. Spinning on an axis, right? So revolution and rotation are 2 different things. We're gonna go over that again. All right, next one. Neo, quick with the answer. Okay. Why can we not see stars during the daytime? First one, the sun does not want to be seen. The stars are too bright. I have no idea, but this game is fun. And the sun is too bright. All right, we got 11 answers. 1 more second. Nice. Good job. The majority of us got it. I appreciate that. For the clowns who think the sun doesn't want to be seen, I know you know the answer. All right, everybody, let's move on to the next one. Who's next? Ooh, Zorian picked it back up. Neo's still running the board. Let's see who else can get their name on there. Why do the sun and the stars appear to move in the sky? Because space is slippery, because they shifted positions every 24 hours, because the earth is rotating on its axis, and because they were moving, or they are moving. All right, we got 12 answers, 2 seconds left. Let's see who's gonna beat. Ooh, only 3 people. Okay, another thing that we have to discuss again, right? Why do the sun and stars appear to move in the sky? Quick revision, okay? Here, the same thing, okay? This is rotation. It's rotating on its axis. We see a different part of the sky every time that we're turning around in 24 hours, okay? We're gonna discuss that again, make sure that we have a clear idea. All right, Zorian and Jalen. Zorian's at the top, Jalen came for second. Let's see what's gonna happen. Mr. Murphy was trying to get Mr. Bangura in shape. He made him run on the track. This is an example of, remember, there's 2 different things. There's this, and there's this. All right, everybody, 2 seconds left. All right, the majority got it right. Shout out to you if you got the triangle revolution. If you're still trying to figure it out, working out, we're gonna talk about it, okay? All right, next. Drew and Leon picking it up. Maybe they'll make it to the top, we'll see. 2 more questions. A tool that helps scientists see out into space, excuse me. Darts, telescopes, magnifying glass, a camera on your phone. Let's see what's gonna happen. Telescope. Thank you to everyone who got it correct. No one thought it was farts. I don't know. That could have been an option. Yes, if it was telescope, you are correct. Don't listen to Ms. Vazquez. That was incorrect. Okay, Zorian keeping it with number 1, Jalen number 2. Let's see. Come on, girls. I want to see your name up there. I see all boys. This Earth is rotating. Remember, there's a difference between rotating and going through revolutions. Five more seconds. Yes. It is false. It's actually revolving around the sun. And this is something we're going to keep talking about, so don't worry if you don't have it right now. We'll go over it over time. All right, Mia with the 3rd place. Jalen with the 2nd place. And Dorian takes the top spot this week. Thank you so much for playing. It was really fun. Now I'm going to hand it over to Ms. Bangura to give us the science.
Awesome. And I even saw some people that was like 4th and 5th. Shout out to Drew, and I can't remember the other person, but I also saw y'all. So that means that you have gotten at least most of the questions correct. All right. And so, like Ms. Vazquez said, we're gonna be going over a little bit about Earth rotation and the revolution. All right. But for today, we're going to go ahead and talk about something just a little bit different, and that is air. Okay. But before we get there, right now, what you need to do is make sure you split your screen. You're going to click on where it says Do Now, Monday 21st. Once you click on Do Now, Monday 21st, you're going to have that up on one side. Oh, no, I'm so sorry. I'm having a brain fart.